Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I'm going to prepare what we call in France a stew steak, which is kind of strange because maybe you notice these are English words. Well, that's another mystery I'm not going to solve today, so why don't we instead cook it and eat it? What you will need to make a stew steak for 4 is
14 ounces of beef steak, 1 ounce of butter, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 large-sized carrot, 8 fluid ounces of white wine. French word of the day.
The French word of the day is vin blanc for white wine. Vin blanc. Cheers!
3 tablespoons of tomato purée, 1 bouquet garni, a mix of thyme and bay leaves, a bunch of washed and chopped parsley. Melt butter in a Dutch oven over medium-low heat. Don't let the butter burn. Once butter is melted, brown meat on both sides, then set aside. Add a diced onion and carrot to the Dutch oven and brown. Once brown, add white wine to deglaze, add tomato puree, add bouquet garni, season to taste, salt and pepper, and mix. Put the meat back in the pot, cover, and cook for 2 hours over low heat. Serve in plates and sprinkle washed and chopped parsley on top of it.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so please give us a thumb up to show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe, so in that case comment below. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It will help us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!